Hi everyone, welcome to the channel SG Collects, and in today's video we are going to open, okay, it's Panini Premier League 21-22. Okay, this is like Donruss Elite. Okay, so this is the retail box. Okay, so right before we start again, remember to press the like button and subscribe to this channel, okay, if you want to watch similar content in the future. All right, so here we go. Let's start ripping. Okay, so Premier League, obviously, I think by now most of y'all know, I'm an English Premier League fan. I've been watching it since young. Okay, so what are we expecting inside? So you see, you can see here, there's like 10 cards per pack. There's 20 packs per box. That is a lot of cards. It's like 200 cards. Okay, so you should be expecting like, okay, it's written here, we should get at least 3 numbered cards per box on average. So we might get more or less, it depends. Okay, so there should be a lot of different insert. Okay, so I'm gonna open this. Nice color though, I must say, purple and pink. Okay, right, so I'll bring this back a bit. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna take out the packs. Alright, so oh my, these packs are thick. I mean, there are 10 cards per pack, so I guess it should be thick. Right, so some packs are thicker than the others. Okay, so I don't know what's the difference though. So you can see some are thicker. So this is kind of obvious though. One's thicker, one is thinner. Alright, I guess we'll find out soon enough. Okay, when we open it. Alright, so let's take one. Okay, so I'm gonna zoom this a bit. Okay, very nice purple color, the Elite. Okay, so let's open this up. Okay, oh man, it's a bit hard to open. Maybe I'm just too excited to open this. Alright, oh, so here we have, okay, Declan Rice. Okay, I'm gonna come closer. Declan Rice. Oh, the quality of these cards are quite good actually. Okay, so you can see. Okay, I guess the surface is similar to the top scroll, but of course the thickness is not as thick as top scroll. Okay, so it's like a paper card, but the surface is shiny. Okay, like chrome looking. Alright, so we have that. Okay, so we have the cells, Pedro, Oliver, Skip, and we have our first insert here. Okay, so this is star status, Suchek. Hey, Ivan Toney, Harvey Barnes, Westwood, Sadio Mane, lastly Tyrone Mings. Nice. Okay, I haven't showed the back. Alright, so same thing, you got the club logo there, the position, and just a bit of info about the player. Alright, nice. That's the first pack. Okay, let's carry on. There's like 20 packs. It's kind of a lot. Okay, so I guess, oh man, why is it so difficult? Okay, alright, Sissoko, Watford. Alright, Olise, Hoiberg, Ronaldo. Miss him. Okay, Donruss 1000. This is a numbered card. Oh my, didn't even notice. Okay, so this is the 275. All right, so you can see there. It's 275. Okay, so this is the orange. Okay, so this is the orange parallel card, Donruss 1000. Okay, so I guess it's like it's really quite hard to see. Okay, so next one, like I compare. Okay, so this is the Benteke one. So the only difference is you can see the orange color here. Okay, then that's the parallel. Okay, I mean it's nice, but I mean it'll be better if they make it a bit more obvious. All right, so there we have our first numbered card, Donruss 1000 from Everton. Put it here. All right, Luis, Douglas Luis, Lemty, Mo Salah, Mason Mount. Nice. Okay. So this is the third pack. Okay. So I'm gonna, maybe I should just use the scissors instead. Ah man, it's difficult. Okay. Ooh, who do we have here? Nepo. Hee-chan. Carl Walker, Peters, Mark He, Ivan Toney. Alright, so I guess this is in every box. Okay, it says here that you should have 5 red parallels. So I guess this is the red parallel. Okay, so the difference you can see. Okay, next one is Lacazette. You can see the red parallel. This is the red part here. Do not have. All right. Yeah. So it's very hard to see actually. Yeah. So rookie card, Ivan Toney. Okay, Lacazette, Demarai Gray, Onyeka, Soyuncu, Bissouma. Okay. Next one. I mean, okay. Oh, let's see here. Shinepo again, Southampton, Hee-chan, Carl Walker Peters, Mark. Oh, here we have another insert, Spellbound. Okay, so you have the letter O there. Okay. So that's nice, Ronaldo. Robert Sanchez, Simicas, Kai Havertz, Martinelli. Okay, Calvert-Lewin. So far there's only one hit. Okay, we should be getting 3 numbered parallel, and hopefully we can get an autograph. It's quite unlikely though. It's like 2 autographs per case. Alright. You have Sancho, Romero, De Bruyne, Collins, Kofel, another insert, Spellbound, Phil Foden. Nice. Alright, David Raya, Moreno, Jack Grealish. Played so well recently. Michelle. Alright. Let's take a tick back. Alright, see what's the difference. Okay. I really do not know why some packs are thicker than the others. Alright. So we will see. Okay. Ooh. Nice. Bruno Fernandes. Okay, Broja. Genepo. Hee-chan again. Oh, mine. I think there's like 3 Hee-chan already. Kyle Walker Peters. So they have this thick block. Okay. Do not know what's this for really. It's so heavy though. It's literally a block. You can hear that, right? Oh, this is the insert Elite deck. Wow, I really love this insert. Let's take a look closer. Okay, there's like this engraving. Okay, so I guess it looks like a spade. Okay, really look like a poker card. Tomiyasu. Nice insert. Alright, let's carry on. Strange. Mope. Andy Robertson. Edward Mundy. Okay, so now I guess we know what's the purpose, or not the purpose, but really like why some packs are thicker than the other. It's really because of the block that they put. Okay, do not really know what's the purpose though. Okay, just add like more mess. Okay, Dennis Trinkle, Redman, Dendonker, and the thick block again. We have another insert. Alright, star status Declan Rice, Rafina, Sanchez, Simicas, Kai Havertz, and Gabriel Martinelli. Alright, Martinelli has been amazing for Arsenal. Okay, still a young player. He and Saka. Okay, in fact, everyone is kind of young in Arsenal. Let's see whether they can hold on and win the league this year. Alright, Højbjerg, Cristiano Ronaldo. Okay, we have Diallo, Loser, Pookie. And we have our second numbered card, Oliver Skip. Alright, very nice. Okay. Oh, sorry, I'm wrong. It's not a numbered card. Okay, but they have the red color thing there, so I guess this is our red parallel. Yeah, should be. Oh man. Oh, it's fine. Okay, Gallagher, Martinez, Somerville, rookie card, and Roberto Firmino from Liverpool. Alright, so I need to read this faster, but at the same time I do not wish to damage the cards. Alright, so pardon me. Nice. Okay, Rashika, Antonio, Almiron, Adam Ida, William Zaha, Wilfred Zaha. So this is another red barrel, Jamie Vardy, McNeil, Virgil van Dijk, Benteke, Lewis. Alright, put this aside. Okay, let's open some more. So far still only one number. Okay. Okay. Hut, Kilman. Okay. Elionossi, Melo, Lokonga. Insert card star status Ruben Neves, Zaha, Watkins, Strick, and Mope. Alright. Open. Okay, so we still got two more numbered cards. Alright, hoping for an auto. As always, stay positive. Trinkle, Redman, Denonker, Harvey Elliott. Ooh, this is the insert card. Jorginho. Okay, McNeil, Van Dijk, Benteke, Douglas Lewis, Tariq Lamptey. I'm gonna take this one. Alright. So there are a few there are a few parallel cards. Okay. So Carl Walker Peters. Sorry, here McGahey, Declan Rice, Lascelles, Shaw Pedro, another red parallel, Moran. Okay, Watkins, straight, Mope, Andy Robertson. Okay. Alright, so we have this open. I'm getting better at this. Okay. Mugo, Luke Shaw, Son, Bruno, Roger. Okay, so we have our numbered card here, Livramento. Okay, so this is to 49. You can see there, it's to 49. Yep. So this is the 249. Should be pink. Yes. Yep. Pink color. Very nice though. Okay, from Southampton. Alright, so there's our second number cut. So we should have one more on average. So that's what they said, on average. There might be more, there might be less. Of course, I'm always hoping for more number cuts. Alright. Alright, it's nice. Okay, let's carry on. Okay, so we already have 4 red parallel. So I guess we got one more and one more number card. Okay, Kabak, Vlasic, Livramento, Butchman, Wilson. Oh, insert card. This is the first time we see this. Primary colors. Nice. Jimenez. Right. Bailey, Calvin Phillips. Okay, Tuturella, Allison. Nice. Okay, I have like 6 more packs to go. Alright. Still hoping for an auto. Hopefully. Okay. So the packets are a bit tricky to open. I do not know why. The tops one are easier to open. Never mind, Panini. Let's give them a chance. Norman, Jamaica, Hayden, Sa. Ooh, what is this? Oh my god. Totally unexpected. Elite. Gary Neville. Legend. Oh my, this is so thick. What card is this? Holy crap. Back to the Future. This is an auto card. Oh my word. So the chances of getting an auto card is like, what, 2 autograph per case. Okay. Wow. Wow. This is amazing. This is to 199. Oh my god. This is just amazing. Oh, Gary Neville. I need to get my magnetic cover. Okay, so take a bit of time. I don't even know whether this is thick enough though. Oh man. Nah, I don't think. Oh, this is too thick. Forget it. I'll just put a sleeve. Oh man. But this looks amazing. Just beautiful. Just beautiful. Right. This is the 199. Oh man, I never even noticed it. 136 to 199. Okay. Very nice. This is amazing. Okay, never expect to get an auto cut at all. Okay, because the chances are so low. Okay. Okay, I guess I can't even sleeve this up. This is just so thick. Look at that. Man. Oh. This definitely is the highlight of this break. Gary Neville. Amazing defender for Man U. Wow, that is amazing. That's that's just amazing. Lost forwards. Oh, there are still some more cards here. Oh, okay. Insert card. Primary colors. Danny Ings. Alright. So we have Odegaard, Pickford, Arja, Madison, Ben Mee. Alright. Next bag. Alright, Genepo, Hee-chan again, Kyle Walker, Peters, Mark Guehi, Declan Rice, and our Miller Rashika. This is our last numbered card here. This is to 25. If you can see there. Nice. Alright, Norwich City. Okay. Well, I wish it was a Liverpool card. But after getting the autograph by Neville, I'm not complaining. I mean, that autograph card though. Okay. Where were we? Alright, Edison. Schlup. Konsa. Daniel James. Richarlison. Wissa. Daka. Goodmanson. Alright, 4 more packs. Alright. Let's see whether we can get another numbered card. Okay, Oliver Skip. Harry Kane. Ruben Diaz. Neves. Sumare. Kuchka. Okay, Mendy. Rowe. Townsend and David Raya. Timo Packs. Okay. Luke Shaw. Sonny. Bruno Fernandes. Roja. Another insert. Bamford. Star status. Madison. Ben Mee. Trent. Lukaku. And Rafinha. Okay, last 2 back. Okay. Man. Okay. Cody. James Ward-Prowse. Willock. We have Mumbo. Spellbound. Harry Kane. Okay, Mo Salah. Mason Mount. Odegaard. Pickford. Oh, nice jersey there. Colorful. Okay, Arja. And one more pack. Okay. Last one. Okay, Wepu. King. Pogba. Loris. Thick block. Arja, rookie card. Madison, Ben Mee, TAA, and Roman Lukaku. Alright, so that's it. Your Donruss Elite. Okay, so sorry, it was quite a long video, simply because there were like 20 packs, and of course there was like surprise. Okay, so this is our 3 numbered cards. Nice. Okay, then. So we have 3 of our numbered cards. Alright, and of course this Legend. Gary Neville. Amazing. Still can't believe how we hit this. Chances were so low. Alright. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.